Today, we're adding a fun and interactive finger zoom effect to your video. This effect makes it look like two fingers are pinching and zooming the screen, just like a real mobile pinch to zoom gesture. It's perfect for tutorials, UI demos, product highlights, or even for adding a playful touch to your edits. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Now go down to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, all video effects in CapCut Mobile apply directly onto your clip. From the Effects categories, open the Screen tab. Here, look for the effect called Finger Zoom and tap to apply it. Right away, you'll notice animated fingers appear on the screen, performing a zoom gesture, pulling your footage closer, just like a real smartphone interaction. It instantly gives your video a dynamic, tutorial style feel. To customize the animation, tap on the effect again. You'll find three sliders. Size controls how much the clip zooms in. Increasing the size gives a bigger, more dramatic zoom. Decreasing it makes the zoom subtle and minimal. Color lets you change the color of the animated fingers. Choose a shade that matches your video style or gives the effect a fun look. Atmosphere adjust the brightness and visibility of the fingers. Increase it for bold, glowing fingers or reduce it for softer, natural looking ones. You can also adjust the duration of the effect on the timeline to decide how long the finger zoom animation stays on screen. And that's it. You've successfully added the finger zoom effect in CapCut Mobile, a perfect way to enhance mobile style edits and interactive clips. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile editing tips.